Oh, he stood his ground too. Wow. Just sit out there in the middle, man. Jeez. You got back over? Oh my gosh! What are you doing? Wow! Lately. That. You know they didn't have a green, they ran that.
Did they?
Yeah, because there's arrows on this one. He's lucky I didn't blow through that light and drill him. I use my watch everywhere to pay.
I know.
But I can't with this watch, so.
Oh.
I had to get in the oh my gosh!
Oh. It's well off.
I was gonna keep going. Did you see that? Did you not see what happened?
I saw him. I closed my eyes.
I thought he was just waiting for me. That's why I was like, okay, I'll keep going. Well, maybe I need to slow down because maybe he doesn't see me. Oh
Yeah.
crap, I need to slam on my brakes because he doesn't have any idea what's going on.
Yeah.
That was awful. What are you doing? Did you not have enough room to go? Oh my word! You're just gonna bully your way in there, huh? Dumbass. That would add lots of fun to my day. Look at
2055.
yes, light him up.
Oh man.
What's he doing?
I don't know.
Come on, Mike. The police need to go.
What the heck was that?
If you need to go somewhere, turn your lights on. Wow. There's not a stop sign there, lady. Definitely not a stop sign. Holy crap, guys. This guy knows. You think this guy wants this guy sitting in his spot the whole time? Right there next to him? No. They're not. This guy knows that this other guy in the extra truck's a moron. Oh my goodness. He's going slower now.
Okay.
No, he's not. I hope he gets pulled over by a cop.
I'm working on it.
Why doesn't this guy just slow down? Somebody do something.
Dad, do it again. Again.
No, please stop. I don't want to get shot or run off the road.
We're not going to. I'm in no danger.
Do it,
He
Dad.
can't
do
slow
it.
down even close to us.
Do it, Dad. Do it.
I'm doing it because he needs this. He needs this. Screwed. Are you kidding me? He's a professional driver. Act professionally. No one, I did nothing to antagonize him into doing this.
Again.
I will.
Do it. Do it.
That was unbelievable. I did nothing to antagonize that person. No. What a clueless clown. Look it, when you... This is what you do. Whoa. How long did that take me? 3 seconds. One vehicle per green, they all just blow through it. Every single one of them. That person just ran through the stop sign. Yeah.
That's my look.
Look at
Oh,
they
look at that.
smashed. You just did a random U-turn right there.
Down, you're gonna have more. Come a little bit more. Okay, hold on, we're gonna turn. Maybe just wait a second, Ben.
What was that? Whoa. Thank you.
Dad.
It's not my fault he didn't look.
Dad was an airplane.
Don't rub my hand on your eyes. You can't rub your eyes on me.
Mom.
Okay. How much you want to bet that car wanted to flip a Yui on the interstate and got stuck because they were in a wet Holy shit. What psycho? What are you trying to do? You really gonna sneak in right there? Oh, so surprising you had to get back over. I can't believe it. Shitting me, lady? Is this guy serious with the way he's merging? Like, my word, bro. All you gotta do is... What are you all doing? Bro, it's definitely a green light for me. Holy freaking cow. Dude to the right is practicing some moves. What is this idiot doing? Nobody letting him in? Jeez. Way over there, and it was like super far. This place is bad.
Watch out. Hi, hen.
Was it?
You need to watch what you're doing, lady.
Oh, something happened up ahead. So we'll have to slow down. It's interesting. Those chains right there. Big quality.
It creates a lot of variation from person to person.
So give me some examples of how this might manifest itself, either as taste or smell.
Sure. The one thing I always advise people to do if they want to become
I'm really
tasters
glad I
is to get
slowed
out
down
there
right
and
there.
judge the beer. And we can talk
Holy
about
cow.
judging
That guy may have taken us out, both of them.
things about tasting and judging
What a crazy person.
type of situation like that.
It's just insanely dangerous. Oh my gosh. These two people. Freaking crazy. You're a moron. Wow. Yeah, that was close. What? even a lane. He's a big target. Can you get the target from there? Oh, he's straight up the U-turn right now. You see that? Let's see. I'll back up. Back up a little, it should tell me. Oh, now we're at 20 inches here. Wow.